Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize critical illness insurance with MetLife, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what critical illness insurance is. Recognize that it provides financial protection in case of serious health conditions. Research the specific coverage options available through MetLife. Visit MetLife's official website for detailed information on their critical illness insurance plans. Compare different plans to find one that suits your needs and budget. Pay attention to covered conditions, as they can vary between plans. Take note of any exclusions or waiting periods that may apply. Consult with a financial advisor to evaluate your overall financial situation. Discuss your health history and family medical background with your advisor. Obtain a personalized quote from MetLife for better clarity on costs. Consider the benefits of a rider's option, such as additional coverage for certain diseases. Understand how the payout process works once a claim is made. Make a list of questions you may have for MetLife representatives. Contact MetLife customer service for clarification on any doubts. Gather all required documentation needed to apply for the insurance. Fill out the application form accurately, providing all requested information. Submit your application and keep a copy for your records. Review your policy once it arrives to ensure all details are correct. Stay informed about changes in terms and conditions throughout your policy tenure. Regularly assess your insurance needs as your life circumstances change. Make adjustments if necessary to keep your coverage aligned with your current situation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.